Hi Cluebeauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chidima aka Clue. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your ventilating pin. I'll be seeing you guys after a short break, so stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So to install your ventilating pin, first off, I'm going to show you guys how it looks like in the screen when you get a new ventilating pin. So I'm going to show you guys the one in the packet and the one in the nylon packs. Then when you get your ventilating pin, you bring out the metal handle. We have the wooden ventilating pin and we have this metal ventilating pin. So when you get your metal ventilating pin, the first thing you do is you bring it out, and it comes with kind of a 4 pin sizes. So you get your ventilating pin, you get your pin itself, go for the size that you want. I hope you guys know the uses of these sizes. If you don't, leave a comment in the comment box down below. I'm going to make a video for you guys, so let me know. So when you get your pin, you bring out the one you like to work with. I like working with 1 to 2 or 2 to 3. That's my best. These two works perfectly well for me. So once you get your pin out, and this is your ventilating pin handle. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you what you're going to do. The first thing you do, you see how it looks? Can you see how it looks? So this is how it looks. So first thing you do is you open up this side. When you open it up, it's going to be looking this way. Okay, now that it's looking this way, you're going to take up your pin. Make sure you're holding it at the extreme end where the hook is. Okay, you can see the hook. Make sure you're holding it at the extreme end where the hook is. So when you grab it here, with the other edge of it that is kind of flat, make sure it enters this hole. Okay, once this enters this hole, then you go ahead and screw it back. So this is it. This is it. Ta-da! So easy to do that. So many people keep asking me, how do you install it? How do you install it? Well, I understand you guys. Okay, so I made this video for you. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share my videos to friends and family. Don't forget to put it up on your status to let people know the wonderful work we're doing here in this beautiful Clue family. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.